Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest game changers for anyone with fitness or nutrition goals: meal prepping. I know meal prep can seem overwhelming, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm sharing my top hacks to save you time, keep you consistent, and help you enjoy the process. Ready? Let's jump in. The first step is choosing a consistent day for meal prep. Sundays or Mondays are popular, but pick what works for your schedule. Block out 2-3 hours and make it non-negotiable. Keep your menu simple. Choose 2-3 protein sources, 2 veggies, and a carb or grain. For example, chicken, salmon, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and rice. Write a grocery list based on your meals and stick to it. Bonus hack: group items by section in the store to make shopping faster. Invest in tools like a rice cooker, instant pot, or sheet pans. These make cooking in bulk much easier and faster. Batch cooking is a lifesaver. Roast all your veggies on one tray while your protein cooks on another. Multitasking for the win. Don't be afraid to use pre-chopped veggies or frozen options. They're huge time savers and just as nutritious. Combine everything into one pot or pan for minimal cleanup. Think stir fries, sheet pan dinners, or slow cooker recipes. Marinate your proteins the night before. This cuts down prep time and infuses more flavor. Use different spices, marinades, or sauces to keep the same ingredients exciting. For example, chicken can go from teriyaki to Mediterranean to spicy Cajun. Prep components instead of full meals. This way you can mix and match throughout the week for variety. Use meal prep containers to portion out meals. This helps with consistency and prevents overeating. Label containers with dates and use airtight ones to keep meals fresh. Freeze meals if you're prepping for more than 5 days. Turn on your favorite music or podcast while prepping. It turns the task into an enjoyable ritual. If you're new to meal prep, don't overwhelm yourself. Start with just lunches or dinners for 3 days a week and build from there. Notice how much time and money you save. Celebrate those wins. It'll keep you motivated to stick with it. There you have it. My favorite meal prep hacks to save time and stay consistent. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first, and if you have your own hacks, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who could use some meal prep inspiration. See you in the next one.